Welcome to the Module 15 certification exam. For this final evaluation, you operate under one title, Chief Medical Auditor. You are evaluating a raw processing engine spinning up to handle complex clinical data. Your objective is to execute the Centaur Mandate. You must leverage artificial intelligence for rapid data processing while maintaining absolute human sovereignty over clinical safety red lines. In a professional setting, the tools you use do not absorb risk. The human auditor absorbs the entirety of clinical and legal liability for every prescription generated. Because the legal burden falls entirely on you, this capstone evaluates your capacity for strict clinical safety enforcement over standard memorization. Large language models are prone to instructional drift and generating hallucinations within complex exercise prescriptions. To counter this, we enforce strict tethering mechanics. Every response must be anchored via the Add File Plus protocol. This tethers the system directly to the PAGA 20, the Physical Activity Guidelines for Americans 2nd edition, and the ACSM, the American College of Sports Medicine 12th edition guidelines. Grounding the system converts it from a volatile text generator into a bounded, verifiable clinical tool. Even with anchored guidelines, specific client metrics and raw medical inputs remain highly vulnerable to cross-contamination within the model's processing layers. You execute the isolation protocol by ensuring clinical case variables are wrapped within a hash delimiter. The system brackets the input with 3 hash marks on either side. This quarantines the exact variables, neutralizing the risk of hallucinated data blending into the verified patient profile. Once variables are isolated, you evaluate the output using the mission loop. The auditor actively scans the prescription through 3 sequential stages: pattern, rule, and solve. Passing the AI-generated prescription through this loop identifies multi-system clinical risks and exposes hidden contraindications embedded in the plan. Mastering the delimiter isolation and the mission loop ensures the human auditor successfully engineers out invisible system hallucinations. For this certification exam, accuracy is the only metric. Any failure to detect a contraindication hidden within simulated client data results in a clinical safety breach, triggering immediate certification failure. You will now begin the final audit of the comprehensive clinical portfolio, refactoring generic AI prescriptions into clinically sound, mobile-first markdown plans. Completing this review with 100% adherence to federal safety standards for special populations is your final gate. It serves as the legal institutional sign-off for EXW265.